Brian here with you to look at this very charming assortment of juvenile books from the early part of the 20th century. Thornton Burgess. Here we have a Mother Goose, probably somewhere around 1915 or something. Yes, very charming inside. Nice little decorations around the central images. Oh, I saw something, yes, quite racist here. My goodness. Well, there's the classic racist story there that appeared in many children's books of that era. Here's a comic book from, well, I don't know if it has a date. What does it look like? Oh, 66. Oh, that's much later than I realized, but, well, that's okay. Here is another juvenile. Looks like it's been read quite a bit, 1945. Cute little story. Bunnies and eggs. And here we have Robinson Crusoe. And this appears to probably date from somewhere around 1900, 1890s, of that range. Chromolithography there. Again, we see chromolithography. Raphael Tuck is the publisher. Here is another early 20th century juvenile. Chromolithographed covers. A different version of Robinson Crusoe. Again, we see color lithography in this one here. Interesting. Oh, look at this. Like some sort of a little advertisement for a premium of something. And then we have a Jack and the Beanstalk. This is a linen book, printed on linen. As you can see, it's been handled quite a bit. All these books have clearly been looked at, read, and loved, etc. And here is Baby Animals and Birds with color lithography as well. That has a 1927 imprint. And the final item is this Couples in Leon imprint here of Red Riding Hood, 1915. As you can see, it's color lithography as well. Looks like some pages are loose in here. It's as seen. And this lot of juveniles is available online from me, Brian DeMambro.